I am Danchika from grade 8 for the Matric Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to tell you a recipe of Gulab Jamun. Ingredients: 1 cup milk powder, 2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons ghee, and 1 cup 2 cup of sugar, 1 cup rose water. Procedure: mix 1 cup milk powder, 2 cup of flour, and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons ghee and 1 cup of milk. Heat it some flour. Shape into small balls. Fry in hot oil till golden. Next we need sugar for sweetness. 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon water for heat for 15 minutes. Next, we already prepare our small balls of gulab jamun. Dip into the sugar syrup and soak it for 40 minutes. Then transfer into a bowl and chop the almond and spread on the gulab jamun. Finally, we finish our gulab jamun. Enjoy with you.